All right, welcome back to the channel. We've got some really cool news for you. This is eBookWriter AI. I've made a couple videos for you already about this. Now, they had recently gone to monthly subscriptions, and I can tell you right now that I've already made sales of that. So people are actually buying this software at the monthly subscription as a monthly subscription as well. But because this is a pretty big feat, this software was created by Chris Derenberger, and it was awarded the Warrior Plus Deal of the Month limited time promotion. So this is, I don't know how long this is going to be. It's probably going to be just a flash sale, which means that this is probably going to go away. If I had to estimate, this is probably like a Labor Day type sale. And then the fact that it all happened at once where they, got the top product of the entire month. Chris wants this to be just a monthly paid tool, and it's already made money. We'll go and take a look at that as well. This is your window of opportunity if you missed out on the lifetime deal, or if you have any interest in building a business that doesn't require you to be on camera, film and record videos for YouTube. It doesn't require you to build a website and hire an SEO guy or anything like that. It's something that almost anyone can do, which is create high quality ebooks using this software and AI. And then you can publish them on places like Amazon KDP. If you pick this up, I will give you access to my bonus. I had 177 people watch this video to get the bonus. I'm not sharing the URL right there or anything like that. But certainly a lot of people, almost 200 people, have taken advantage of this bonus right over here. And you get access to that. It's basically my secret platform that no one really knows about. I tell you about my experience and the thousands of dollars that I've made on the platform. It's not Amazon KDP. So it gives you another opportunity to use another platform to make hundreds or even thousands of dollars publishing ebooks. I am going to give you another tip, and this is a free tip. You don't want to be aggressive, whether you're on Amazon KDP, even though you're allowed to upload 3 books a day. I don't recommend doing that. I would recommend only doing 1 book a day and maybe 5 books. We're just not in 2018 anymore, 2019, 2020, where you could just blast Amazon with low content coloring books and so forth. Like so many people, thousands and thousands of people have gotten their accounts banned. I was one of them about 4 years ago. So you want to be very careful. You want to be thoughtful and meticulous about it. If you do it high quality and you do it with a low frequency and you focus on quality, that's where the power of this eBookWriter AI is. You're not even reading through the content and making sure it's better, maybe adding a little bit of your own content. This is a business, right? And if you're just publishing AI and just pushing a button and publishing the max amount, 3 books a day, that's like 90 books a month. No author ever would be able to write 3 40,000 page books per day, right? So Amazon's not stupid. They know that you are publishing AI content. Those are the horror stories of people getting their accounts banned. So don't be that person, and you can still pick up this tool right here and get really, really good results. And we'll come down here and look at some of the results people are already getting right over here. So you can see it over here, 657 pages read, 137 processed orders. Then we come over here, $58 in earnings, 1,800 orders, and 3,000 pages read. This is what pays you money. You can upload these books, and when people read them, if they're part of the KDP program where you pay like $9 a month, you get access to all these books. People are renting out these books and reading them on their devices, their Kindle devices and so forth. And that's when you get paid. And you can also, people can pay the one-off fee if they're not in that program. So there's ways to make money. But this person is one of the biggest success stories. And I'm just going to be completely honest with you guys. This is a business that if you take it serious, maybe 6 months, 12 months down the road, you can start making hundreds or maybe thousands of dollars per month with this strategy. I also think if you really focus on quality, and then go out there and actually start running paid ads on Amazon KDP, that's when you're really going to turn the corner and start making a lot more money. We can come over here, $11 in earnings right there, 47 orders. People are being successful right here. We're getting the data 13 days so far into it, 17 books published. I think that this is too fast paced. What I'm recommending, because I have knowledge about this business as well, is I would focus on maybe 1 or 2 books per week, and maybe even send to Fiverr, get them fully edited or edit them yourself, maybe create the content, put them through Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT, and really fully kind of edit them, maybe put it through Grammarly, put the time in, add a little bit of customization to the book. And then once you know that you've researched the topic and wrote a really good book that people really want to read, and then you also go and publish it on Amazon, that's when you could go out there and start running $5, $10 a day, start getting reviews. And then once those reviews come in and you start getting 5 stars, that's when things start snowballing and you actually could end up creating a best-selling book with AI. There's a different way to do it in 2025 where I don't think quantity is the way to go. That's what I would have taught you 5 years ago. Slow and steady will win the race right now, and people will get weeded out if they're blasting books left and right. You're putting your account at risk is all I'm saying. This is a great piece of software, but like I said, blasting Amazon with 100 books a month is not going to get the job done, in my opinion. And eventually you're just waiting to get your account manually reviewed and banned or whatever, right? So just be really careful. We got some really good success stories. There's another $43 right there, 7,000 pages read right there. There's really cool strategies. There's more money right there as well. So people are making money. This software, people have bought in this software and actually started making money. That's actually pretty rare, right? Where you can actually buy a software, start a business, and start making money. You can take my advice or leave it, doesn't matter. But like I said, I think that if you focus on quality and not publishing 20, 30, 40 books a month, maybe set yourself, I'm not going to do more than 10, and we're going to set a certain budget, and I'm going to spend $100 a month on ads, and we're going to really take this serious. I think that you actually will end up winning that way better, and you're putting yourself at far less risk. Remember, you could go and publish them on my secret bonus page right over here as well. I believe this is only going to go for a few days. If you're watching this video, I'm recording this right now on Thursday, August 28th, around noon. We'll pick it up right away because after Labor Day, which is on Monday, about 4 days from now, I think this is only going to go for about 4 days. They've already made a ton of money from the software. I can verify that people are buying it monthly because I'm an affiliate, the number one affiliate for this software. I made over 500 sales of this software, just FYI. This is a killer software, and it gives my top recommendation. But what I can tell you is that people are buying it monthly as well. It's a valuable software. This is your chance to pick it up at a lifetime deal. I can't believe Chris is actually doing this. I don't think I've seen him do something like this. That'd be like him coming back with another piece of software and saying, I'm going to offer a lifetime deal. This is your chance over the next few days to come over here and pick this up. Now, I definitely don't recommend the $17 version. I definitely recommend at least the growth pack at $47. It's going to give you 2,500 monthly credits. We could break down how many books and so forth. I'm going to log in and show you, but I'm on the agency plan, the 97, the just unlimited. This is a bring your own key software as well. Here you go. Here's where the credits come in. So if you're creating books that are 20 to 40 pages, it's going to be, let's just estimate it's 500 credits, right? So you'd actually be able to create like 25 books just on this plan right here. So the growth plan, based on my recommendation of not scaling and putting 1 million books out there, I think that the growth pack at $47 is probably a really good sweet spot for everybody. I don't recommend 17. I recommend the $47 at least. And then if you want to make sure you never miss out, maybe go to the pro or the agency plan. This is your chance to come back in here. They got all the FAQs and questions that you might have. I also recommend creating your own. I've used the tool and I'm an affiliate. I want to make money from the software, but I'm also going to shoot you straight. In my testing, it's kind of hit and miss. And I'm sure that if you have the software, you can leave a comment below. It's hit and miss on the AI generated book covers. About 60 to 70% of the time, the book cover it creates is not usable. You're better off going into Midjourney or Ideogram or even Canva and just creating a nice book cover. Spend 5-10 minutes, create a nice book cover, and not really make like I think this AI version is if you're just going for the turn and burn, like quantity over quality. But I don't think that's the way to go in 2025. So I think you should just hire somebody, create a really good book cover, or get good at creating book covers yourself. That's my recommendation. The software does create them for you as well. Log in, and what I like to do is I have all of the add-ons except for one. So you come over here to add-on and you'll be able to see what you have purchased. I have the research tools. The audio generation is awesome too. You can actually turn your books into audio, and I've tested it out. They turn out really good. And you can actually go and publish those on Amazon, but you're going to have some challenges with that. There's going to be a learning curve, and I'm just being completely honest with you on that. And then there's some other ones as well that you could publish on that's not Amazon. You could publish the audio versions, and I've made money with doing that as well. I need to hook up my YouTube API in order to to use the YouTube to URL ebook. The flipbook and lead generation, that's the only one that I didn't want to pick up, and I didn't purchase that one. They got tutorials, all that kind of good stuff. What I like to do is go into research right over here, and then maybe we just come over here and we say new research campaign, and then maybe we want to book titles, a popular book in niche, generate authors, best keywords and categories for a book, random book generator. This is pretty cool. Let's go with that. They've already upgraded the software to use GPT-5 right over here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to come over here and say chat GPT. Let's just see what kind of books might be out there for like chat GPT, because it's such a popular topic. Generate titles. So it's going to go out there and research, come up with a title, something that would be really good to create right now. And then we'll be able to go over there and create the book. So choose your title to generate random ebook. Here are some of the titles we could go. Talk to me, prompt playbook for ChatGPT, build with ChatGPT from idea to prototype, GPT for small business wins, or ChatGPT work smarter projects. I think I like this one right here. So ChatGPT for small business wins, and then we would go start campaign. The software is going to go and actually start this campaign. It says it's in progress. Come back in just a minute. So what you'll see right here is that this campaign, we're still in the research mode, I believe, and it's in progress. It'll be done in just a minute. Okay, so the GPT one is done right here. So we could go in and take a look. We have the book title, ChatGPT for small business wins. It gave us an author name. It's doing everything very fast for us. We have all this information right here, KDP description right over here, and then you have your keywords. It's done all the research for you really quickly. And then what you end up doing is you can copy all this information down, and then that's when you would actually go into campaigns. What I would do is pull that up on another window, and then we would go into new campaign, and we would take that information and we would come in here and fill all this out, and then we would actually build our book, and then it would be done in about 5 minutes, and you'd have your actual ebook done. If you want to fully do this, just go watch my other videos. I'll leave those links in the description of this video so you can watch the full-blown tutorials. I don't want this video to get too out of hand. This one's really just to let you know and notify you that this is the best product on Warrior Plus for an entire month, thousands of sales, and people are actually making verified money from the software. You can get this for a lifetime deal right now. This is like your last chance probably, and you probably only have a few days in the spirit of Labor Day, plus the fact that he just got that award from Warrior Plus. So go pick this up if you're still interested. This is a really cool opportunity. Also, you'll get my bonus if you pick it up as well. Thank you so much for joining me. Links and my tutorials for the other videos on how to use the software will be below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.